show you what is SoundCloud and some features of the SoundCloud. Firstly, I will give some intro of the SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a Swedish-founded online audio distribution platform and music sharing website based in the Berlin, Germany, and that enables its users to upload, promote, and share audio, as well as the DSP enabling listeners to stream audio. Basically, the software is a big opportunity for everyone. Sometimes you have no internet and you are in the place where you have no internet connection and you are offline and your mood is to hear some music. So when in the past you're all lines and searching songs and different audios, different videos and different things in your download or upload, there they will be saved for the offline use so that you will hear them when you are offline. Next, I will show some features of the SoundCloud. First of all, when you see at the top, there are some options. We'll go in library first. Let me tell about the further options. Click the overview. You will find the songs here. You can like these songs and then you will find the songs here. Then next further is likes. These are the songs which you liked. Next is playlist. Here you can save all the songs which you like. Next is album. Here you can save the albums of your favorite singers as well. Then the station. Here you can search the different stations, and the next is the following. With the help of this option you can easily add your friends and they can also add you, as well as you can like the song playlist and albums of the others. And the last but of course not the least, you can easily play the previous songs from your history. That's it.